In this video, I'll show you how to remove the radio from your Nissan Versa or Nissan Tiida. You'll need a trim removal like this one, or a flathead screwdriver, something very thin that you can jam under this panel. Start with one of the corner and gently pry. It will release the clips that are under. Do the same on the other side and you'll be able to remove it effortlessly. Okay, now we need to remove the panel that is around the radio. There are two screws on the top. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and remove them. Now what you can do is put your hand right on the top and pull it towards you. It will release the clips that are retaining this panel. You can pull it down this way. You don't need to disconnect anything for the moment or ever. Now you need to remove those 4 Phillips screws that are on each side of the radio. Be careful to not lose the screws like I just did. Here I don't really care, I'm at the scrapyard, but if you need to reinstall a radio, well, keep those screws handy. Now all you have to do is take the radio and pull it out. You'll have some connector on the back. You just need to push this tab that is on the front and pull it. This one has a tab on the side. You need to push and pull. You may have a radio antenna that you just need to pull. Now to replace the radio, all you have to do is remove this side bracket. There are one of each side. There are 4 screws, and install it on your new radio so you can keep it in place. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment and a thumbs up if this was helpful.